In this video from Casio Help, we're going to quickly demonstrate how to perform a factory reset on the SE-S400 register. So this factory reset will reset the machine back to out the box, so no sales totals, it will all be set to 0, and also all the programming data will be wiped back to the Casio default. Procedure's fairly straightforward. You need the PGM key and you need to turn it to the off position. You then press and hold down feed, key to PGM, and release the feed button. When the display reads init with lots of zeros, you type in the following code 12540 and press subtotal. The machine will now perform the initialization or factory reset, which can take up to 30 seconds or so. You'll know it's finished because it will print a receipt out, and then you'll also be returned to the main PGM settings menu, when then you can obviously start reprogramming the machine, or if you're finished with it and selling it on, you can then turn the key to off and power down. What I'll show you how to do is a couple of ways of double checking that it's totally reset. So if we go into departments, they're all set back to the default Casio settings, and then also if we run message setting is a good one to check, because you always program your receipt header, that's back to the factory default. And then if we run a sales report in the Z mode, this will all be at 0 again. So yeah, that's it, that's how to do it. For more information on using the SE-S400 and other Casio cash registers, you can click on the video links appearing on screen. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel, or you can visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.